Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie.
For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cook braised pork. We need cooking oil as needed, 50 grams ginger, 1 piece orange peel, 240 ml pineapple juice, 500 grams more lean cuts of pork, salt according to your taste, 2 cloves garlic, dash of white pepper, a dash of Spanish paprika, turner, casserole, pan, and 2 pieces star anise. Preheat your pan. Add cooking oil. Sear the meat. Remove the impurities from the meat. Add salt, white pepper, and Spanish paprika. Sear the meat until your desired golden brown. Put the seared pork into a casserole or a slow cooker. Add 240 ml pineapple juice. Add 2 star anise. Add 2 cloves garlic. Add 50 grams of ginger. Add 1 piece orange peel. A dash of white pepper, a dash of Spanish paprika, add salt according to your taste. Stir gently. Boil and simmer for 45 minutes or until your desired pork tenderness. You can enjoy it after simmering, or you can stir fry the pork. Just remove the aromatics. Serve it with rice or dinner roll bread. Garnish with orange peel. There you have it, braised pork.
If you want me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.